Brothers and sisters, first of all, I would like to request you, please listen to me carefully. आप मेरी बात बगौर समात फरमाएं, so that you can learn the pronunciation of this speech, ताकि इस वंडरफुल स्पीच का सही तलफ़ुज़ सीख सकें। पहले तो मैं आप लोगों के सामने इस स्पीच को करके दिखा रहा हूं कि अगर 15 अगस्त के मौके पर आपको तकरीर करने का मौका मिलता है तो आप किस अंदाज से तकरीर कीजिएगा। पहले अंदाज सीखिए। क्या सीखिए? तकरीर के अंदर अंदाज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। और दूसरा, प्रोनंसिएशन यानी तलफ़ुज़ बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए। तो आपकी तलफ़ुज़ अच्छा हो, आपका अंदाज बहुत बढ़िया हो, इसके लिए मैं चाहूँगा कि ऑडियो को पूरा बार बार सुनिए और ये तलफ़ुज़, ये अंदाज अपने अंदर उतारने की कोशिश कीजिए। Respected teachers, my dear friends and honorable judges, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. My name is Khurshid Anwar Qasmi. I am a teacher of International Institute of English Language, Deoband. Today, I feel honored to speak a few words on the great occasions of Indian Independence Day. We celebrate this day on 15th August every year with pride and respect. बहुत तेज नहीं बोलना है, बहुत सोलो नहीं बोलना है, जो बोलना है साफ शफाफ बोलना है। बहुत तेजी से बोलना भी कमाल की चीज नहीं होती है। आप जब तकरीर करें तो वाज़ेह हो कि आप बोल क्या रहे हैं ताकि लोग समझ सकें। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, India was under British rule for nearly 200 years. Our ancestors suffered a lot under their unjust rule. They lost their land, freedom, culture, and dignity, but they never gave up. They continued to struggle, and finally, on the 15th August 1947, India got independence after a long and hard fight. Dear national brothers and sisters, now let me draw your attention to a very important point. Unfortunately, many people today forget the great sacrifices made by Muslims during the freedom struggle. From the first freedom war of 1857 to the final victory to 1947, Muslims played a key role, dear brothers and sisters and dear comrades. Dear comrades, do you know who was the first person who raised the voice against the British? It was no one but Shah Waliullah Dehlvi, who warned Muslims about growing power of the British. After him, Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed and Shah Ismail Shaheed Dehlvi Rahmatullah alayh fought bravely against the British in the early 1800 years. In 1957, the first war of independence started, and Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, became its the leader. Maulana Fazl Haq Khairabadi, Maulana Ahmadullah Shah, and thousands of Muslim scholars gave their lives for country. Let us not forget Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was the great freedom fighter and the first educational minister of India. Respected ladies and gentlemen, let me express to you all, freedom did not come to us easily. It came after the sacrifices of lakhs of brave men and women, including a large number of Muslims. Today, we must value this freedom. We must live in unity and peace. We should never forget our past and must contribute to the progress of our country through honesty, education, and hard work. Let us pray for our beloved country. اللهم احفظ بلادنا واجعلها بلادا آمنا مطمئنة وسائر بلاد المسلمين. Thank you so much for listening to my speech carefully. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.